Welcome to Section 31, Debugging Fundamentals. As a developer, writing code is only half the battle. Fixing errors is the other half. In this section, we will learn how to find and fix bugs efficiently. 1. The scenario. Imagine we are building a simple shopping cart application. We have a list of products, each with a name and a price. Our goal is to calculate the total cost of all items in the cart. Take a look at this code. We initialize total_price to 0, loop through the products, and attempt to add each price to the total. 2. The unexpected result. Let's run the script. We expect the total to be 50 plus 100 plus 400, which equals 550. However, the output is 400. The script did not crash, and there are no syntax errors, but the result is clearly wrong. This is what we call a logical error. In a small script like this, you might spot the issue immediately, but in a large application, finding such bugs can be very difficult. To summarize, we have a buggy script that needs fixing. Instead of guessing, we should use a professional tool to inspect the code while it runs. Our next lecture 31.02, Debugging in VS Code. See you there.